What's your opinion of the Diamond Glow? And do you know how much it runs?
Yeah, Diamond Glow is an Allergan product. So Diamond Glow is actually nothing that they own. Allergan bought a product. So Hydrofacial was number one in the marketplace, and a company called Silk Peel was number two. They bought a company called Silk Peel. They rebranded it to a different name, which I can't remember. Then they rebranded it again to Diamond Glow. But it's very similar to the Hydrofacial. It's the exact same concept, infusing skincare products in your skin. It's a good device. We added it in here once upon a time. And I would say they probably run about $15,000 to $20,000 in that range. So it's very, very similar to the Hydrofacial. The Skin Wave that's kind of in the genre. It's not quite branded, but that's more affordable. That's kind of, again, it's not cheap, but that's down closer to the $13,000 range. Exact same thing. It's just not a big brand. There's a bunch of devices like the Diamond Glow, like the Hydrofacial marketplace that are great devices.